Okay, student, today I will explain to you question number 4, sec of tan of root of x. Answer, d by dx of sec tan of root x. Formula in this case is d by dx of sec of x, which is equal to sec of x tan of x dx by dx. So when you compare it with this formula, here I have sec of x, here I have sec of tan of square root of x. That means in place of x, I have to write tan square root of x. So in the formula, d by dx will always remain the same. In place of x, tan of root x will come. In place of x, tan of root x will come. In place of this x again, tan of root x will come. So what I'll have in the next line is sec of x, that means tan of root x, and then tan of x, in place of this x again, tan of root x, and then d by dx remain the same, and then in place of this x again, tan of root x. So in the next line, this term will remain the same. I have to differentiate only d by dx of tan of root of x. So formula for this one is d by dx of tan of x, which is equal to sec square x dx by dx. D remain the same, dx will remain the same. But in place of x, what do I have in this case? In this case, I have square root of x. That means in place of this x, square root of x will come. In place of this x again, square root of x will come. So in the next line, I'll have sec square x, that means square root of x. And then d by dx remain the same. And then in place of this x again, we have square root of x. So in the next line, this term remains the same. I have to differentiate only d by dx of square root of x. Square root of x means x power 1 by 2. This will remain the same again. Now here I have to differentiate using the formula x power n. D by dx of x power n, which is equal to n and then x power n minus 1 dx by dx. But what is my x in this case? My x in this case is x itself, so dx by dx will again cancel. So formula will say here that I'll have first n, that means 1 by 2, and then x power n minus 1, x is x itself, n minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1. So in the next line, sec of tan root x tan of tan root x sec square root x 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2 when you take the LCM. So in the next line, what I have on the denominator is 2. When I bring x to the denominator, it will become x power 1 by 2. Numerator, the rest will be here. In the next line, I have to write x power 1 by 2 as square root of x. Numerator remain the same. Up to that much will be the answer.